question. This is a very simple problem that there are three forces, I mean total four forces, and this body is in equilibrium. Okay, so obviously we'll take this as a system, right? Now on this body, how many forces are acting? One force is the elastic force, which is the spring force. Why the spring is giving force? Because it's elongated, right? The spring is elongated. How much is elongated? The original length is L and the elongated length is 3L by 2. So the elongation is how much? 2 divided minus L, that is L by 2. So we know that force equal to Kx, right? Elastic force. So the force will be, in this particular case, will be how much? K into L by 2. So the force constant is K, so K into L by 2. Now there is tension 1 T1 and there is tension T2, and on top of that there must be mg. Okay, now this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, so let's find out the axis, right? These are the two axes, and we have to divide the component in these two axes, right? So this force K into L by 2, KL by 2 must be equal to mg plus T1 cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, isn't it? Plus T2 cos 60 degree is T2 by 2. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. So I require another 2 unknowns. Or 2 unknowns means T1 and T2. So I require another equation. So obviously in these directions the body is in equilibrium. In both the directions the body is in equilibrium. So we have already taken care of that. So in these directions what I'll write? T2 sine 60 degree equal to T1 sine 30 degree. This is our second equation. So I am leaving to the students to solve this problem. There are two equations, two unknowns. So please solve the problems. Please solve the equations. Very easy problems. Okay.